guys, it's Sassy Panda Squad.
And my name is Hannah. This is
My
Bella,
name
my
is
cousin.
Bella.
And we have matching tops today because we just had a sleepover last night.
And it was so much fun.
Yes, we painted my treehouse.
Yeah, we painted the treehouse and we did so many fun things.
Yeah.
Today we're gonna go shopping at an outlet mall, and we're going to go to Starbucks.
Yes, and when we go home, we'll show you our painted treehouse.
Yeah, and we're going to show you the drinks that we get, and it's gonna be a surprise which Starbucks drink we get. All right, we'll see you when we get there. Hi, Sassy Panda Squad. So we're done shopping.
Yes, and comment down below what bag of these two do you like the most. They're really mini. Like, look, they're like the size of my head. My head's really tiny.
Yeah, so we're waiting currently outside of the candle store because my aunt went in, and yeah, so we're just chilling, and we're not near anybody. We put our mask
one the
on.
most.
Yeah.
Like, it's black.
So we're just chilling right now. We might get boba. I really hope we do because I've never tried it. So yeah,
I've
and
never tried it.
we got so much stuff to preview. We probably will do a haul when we get home. And so we're so excited. So we'll see you, Sassy Panda Squad, really soon, right?
Yep.
Panda Squad. Bye. So we're in the car now. We're gonna go home and eat.
Yes, but
We're actually
Sorry, I'll make it a combo with a large fry.
Wendy's, and I guess I'm wearing the new bow I got. I love this.
Yeah.
And like, I love it. And I love this bag I got.
Don't show them.
Let me show them two things.
That's everything.
Alright, so we are going to go to Wendy's, right? Gonna get fries, and then we're gonna go home and just chill out and probably eat dinner there.
Yeah, and
You don't want to go with
our
the boys.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll show you our things after. I showed most of my things, but not all of them.
I didn't show anything. I got angry. I'm surprised.
Sorry.
Well, my eyes. Hey guys, so we're back. We're just gonna position you guys.
You go first.
So, first we got this bag.
Yeah, I love it.
It's so cute. It's just an ocean blue kind of tie-dye
I
color.
haven't seen most of her things.
Yeah,
so
and it has brown on it. Let's open it inside. Lots of space for potential. Has clairs on the inside. Secret pockets. And pocket at the front.
Secret
It's super cute. Love it. All right. And then we got a cherry phone case for my phone. Here it is.
I wish I had a phone. That I
Super
could get a
pretty.
phone
Let's
case
put
on.
this inside the bag. Next, we got
Scratchy.
not one, not two, not three, but 4 scrunchies in this like kind of material color. It's pink, and then this cream, blue, and this one, and green, neon. Then a few more things. Sorry, guys.
Okay.
We got ring, really pretty ring.
Ooh,
It's like a
that's
wedding
nice.
ring. It looks like.
Yeah,
I'm not married. That'd be weird.
Really weird.
So I got this bracelet. They were in like 2016, but I still like it. We got a few more of those. We got a purple, a pink, a green, and blue.
And she said she might give me one.
Yeah, I might give you one.
Because I really want the purple one. Or the pink.
Then I got a watch.
Wait, that's an actual watch?
Yeah,
Oh, I should have
I
got
got it at
one.
Claire's. And then there's a purple one, a plain purple.
Please don't make me sad.
We'll have to restart the clock though. And then I got an anklet, which has little seashells on it. And that's what I got.
I didn't see that one.
And the big bag.
Okay. Well, I got this really cool purse and lots
purple.
of room. Let's see. Purple. Lots of room, and it has a huge star. And
That's
this
pretty.
pom pom is like my fave. And inside,
Oh, I kind of want to see what you got too, because I don't really know.
yeah, you don't really know, so don't peek in the bag. There's lots of space and no secret pockets, but I love this bag. I'm probably gonna use it sometime when I go out shopping again.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Let's put it back here so then
You
can fill
guys might have seen this.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah, I'm just gonna show it again.
it.
Lots
You got
of
2
detail.
of them, right?
Yeah, I got 2. I got this cat one. If you weren't here for most of it, and you were like your sister or something was someone else was watching, and you just started, here's another zip bag. They're like smaller than my head. They're like so tiny. You can put like little things that you need.
Like here, and we might
My
do
lips
some,
get like really hurt, so
Um,
I need lip gloss.
since we both got a lot of things, we might do some trading with the stuff that she got or I got.
Yes, and also I'm gonna give her some of these because these are my favorite. They're little pops, and they're lip glosses.
Yeah, it's like a
Yeah.
in a carton too.
Yeah, and I'm gonna open them in a minute and show you. Ooh, I didn't get one scrunchie. I didn't get 2 scrunchies. I got 3 scrunchies.
So they're all like the 3 neon colors.
I didn't get 3 scrunchies. I got 4. I didn't get 4 scrunchies. I didn't get 5 scrunchies. I didn't get 6. I got 7 scrunchies.
6 scrunchies.
Yeah, and then I got, oh my gosh, I forgot I got this. These little fuzzy dragons. They're so cute, and I'm gonna give you the blue one. And they're like really cute. They're really, really fuzzy.
Yeah, they're kind of like
lots detail.
indie.
Yeah, and I'm gonna give you the blue one.
Can I see it?
I'm gonna hang these on here.
Ooh, they have little fire.
Yeah, and I'm gonna give you one of those. Ooh. Oh, I love this ring I got. I made sure it would fit me because I stuck my finger in here, and it is a heart.
Pride.
Yeah, it's really pretty. I love this one.
Pride.
Yeah, and another one.
You got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, a mini bag.
That's Auntie
yeah.
Jenny's.
No, it's not.
Oh.
My glasses. But these feel really cool. Let me show you with them on. I love these. You guys are all pink right now. Like my whole room's
Can I
pink.
try it?
Yeah. Let me get my other things out. Oh yeah. For my AirPods, these might not fit my AirPods, but I'm gonna open them and
That's
see.
so much stuff.
I know. They're like I'm gonna take the sponge out. And it's like it feels really weird. Where's my?
Oh yeah. They're like
Oh, I haven't showed you. Yet. That one should be a surprise. My earphones things.
they're flowers, right?
Yes.
See them?
Oh, that was easy.
Okay, this is
Okay.
hard.
Can you help me?
Show the rest of your stuff.
Okay. Well, I got this. Can you do that? And oh, what else? Oh, there's so much paper in here I can barely see. Oh, I almost left my second favorite thing in here. My K necklace. I got this for my friend, Katie. So I am happy with that. I'm gonna give that to Katie. But I think oh yeah, there's one more thing. There's another pop can. These ones are.
And they had poppets there, but
Yeah.
my mom didn't let us get any.
Yeah, my mom. But she spent over $100 on us. So I think she did really good. I think I got a lot. I got like lots. Like lots.
Pretty.
Yeah, very pretty. I love that. I think my friend's gonna love it too. These are so cool.
Do you have anything else to what you want to show them?
Actually, I think I do. No? And no, I don't.
All right. Well, that was it, guys. So that's it for our vlog. Bye.
Doggies.
Bye. Bye, Sassy Panda Squad. Oh my
You're a
goodness.
bad saint.